I'm a project manager at DeMayo Brothers Construction, and I've been working on this project since August of last year. This is a stormwater management project for the greater city of Winnetka.
Here we're expanding the water retention on the golf course to take stormwater from basically the surrounding town and give it a place to go when it floods. When DeMayo Brothers was awarded this project, we had a need to get out on a golf course and move a lot of material. The soil borings provided for the course and the nature of what the ground conditions were required a low pressure machine to run up and down and move dirt for us from one part to the other. Terramac fit the need for this project. We rented 2 of the RT14Rs. After about a month of use, we realized they were the right machine for the project. We have a total of 8 on site that we're using to work on this project. We've been hauling a lot of clay, topsoil, stone, removing asphalt cart paths. On this project we have a soft sub-base and there's underground facilities which we need to protect. And the Terramacs give us the ability to run where we need to run because they have tracks with very low ground pressure.
One great thing about the Terramac itself is it's easy to get into. Someone can teach you and you figure it out, and you can become very effective very fast in this machine. From an operator perspective, it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to plan out your route as much. You can go right up to where you're either getting loaded or you're dropping and dumping and be on your way out. You can dump, rotate, or even while you're tracking, dump so it becomes more even, or if we have to dump in multiple spots, then go and as you're tracking, also dump at the same time. There's a lot of cameras and a lot of technology on these machines that allows you to see where you're going and see where you've been. They have good ground clearance with the angles and they're able to go in a lot of places.
Wide variety of weather conditions. These units have helped us get through all of them, and I don't think there's another unit that could have got us through this project the way that Terramac has. From getting to know the Terramacs and their capabilities, we're finding other uses for them on other projects and think they'll be a useful product in our future for the jobs to come.